know, I'm here for another layout. I think they're putting my shingles down because it's like fast down. It's like a gun going off. Anyway, so my background on this is basil cardstock, and then my photo mat is also basil cardstock. And then that floral layer is Pink Fresh Studio Some Days called Fresh Flower. And this kit has 2 sheets that are cut aparts, but I'm not going to use either. I prefer to use the pattern on the back side because I end up having a lot of cards left over. So I'm going to go check on their progress as soon as they're done. Alright, and then that yellow pattern is Hip Kit Club's Free Bag, all the feet. I think that's nice. And so that one is brought over from the January kit as well. And then this pink star. And I think to put my jingles on. So I cannot wait to see how they look like. I went with, it's brick red color now. Well, sort of. Because most of the sand is off the shingles, I guess. So I went with a lighter color to help repel the sun. So hopefully it'll keep the house cooler because we don't have much for trees that shade us. So anyway, so that star pattern is Echo Park's Little Dream Girl. And then I'm going to do a Scallop Border. This one I did yesterday. Because I remember Coco laying in front of my drawer where I needed my punches. So I had to kind of go push her butt up a little bit so I could get in my drawer. I think I'm going to buy some white semi-gloss and I'm going to say it's semi-gloss and not matte. Yeah, it's just like a little shiny. And repaint my Jetmax cubes. Make them look new again. Because my handles, the silver handles, they are rusting and rubbing off, and it's really driving me nuts. So I'm tempted to paint them white to match the cubes. Unless I wanted to spray paint them a different color. And I wasn't have to buy that many cans of spray paint to make them colorful. Yeah, I'll just do this. Either keep them silver, buy silver spray paint, or just paint them white. That's a lot of handles I have to take off. I'm gonna go peek see and see if I can see them. See what the shingles are. Hope they look good because I went with a lighter color. I apologize. I must be texting or something. So I got my border, my scallop border done. And that one is, oh, I didn't write where I got that one from. Let me see. Right here. More paper that has a paper box. Oh, there it is. It's the reverse side of the star pattern, so it's still Echo Park's Little Dream Girl. But it's the reverse side of the pink star. So I cut using a circle stencil, I cut a pink circle out of the basil cardstock. And I'm trying to figure out what I can do for, I'm going to use that star pattern, which was from the January kit. And I'm going to use that, and it's probably, I have that star, yeah, it's Dream Big from the January kit. Sorry, I'm eating a purple. See, this one I did yesterday too, I believe. Yeah, maybe. That's what I'm doing. I think so, because I was listening to music yesterday. It stormed, and then a lightning struck in near my backyard, in the woods near my backyard, and took out our internet. So I had to listen to the, thank goodness I have music on my phone. Alright, so now I'm going to put down, there's teas and food and whatnot, and I never know exactly how to use those, so I'm going to use them on this layout since she's by her kitchen. And the die cuts are heartfelt, and then the wood veneer is the Dream Big, that's from the January kit. So I'm going to try to put my, the die cuts down, then I decided, you know what, I need to put my title first. So I'm going to go ahead and do my title, which is Good. It's from Dear Lizzie Charm Thickers, and that's from my stash. And then Housekeeping is Pink Fresh Studio, the mix, which is from a past kit. And so I'm guessing I'm going through I have 2 drawers. The drawers in my colorful drawers that I got from Michael's are that's sitting on either side of where I sit. Those have 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm working on the 5th drawer. Wow. I'm using these stuff letters that I did not use that was in the kits. And then, but I have a whole bunch of stickers and whatnots in 2 Jetmax cubes. The ones that have the dividers. Cocoa. And so I pulled from there. Oh, my lands of cocoa. Gosh, I got an itch on my ear. Like something bitten on my ear. I need to go peek so you can see. You're right. I wonder if it sounds like they're doing the front. Maybe they're doing the front. I don't know, but at any rate, yay. Can't wait to go see what they're doing. I go spy on them. They don't know I look. And I can't go outside because there's roofing nails everywhere. I went to go cover my fish pond, and I almost stepped on one because I was like, okay, be careful. And then I moved and there was one right there by my foot. I was like, ooh. Because they were just throwing stuff and it was getting in my pond, poor fishy. It's my unsweet flavored water. I'm going to put those up. Good housekeeping. And now I'm going to do the die cuts so I know where they can lay. Should have those down a little bit more. Which I think I do. I think I move those down. I hope they did not have to replace too many of the plywood boards because that's extra. Been in this house a year and I'm having to redo a roof. That really irks me. But hey, that's what happens when you think your realtor has your back. I mean, the house is beautiful. The house is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's huge. Way bigger than space than I really need, but in the yard, I spent a year working on the yard. It looks amazing. And the back will look amazing as soon as my seeds grow. Alright, so once I get the die cuts down, that pretty much ends this layout. And then I can work on doing some more. I'm just going to spend the whole day just scrapping videos, voiceovers, scrapping video voiceovers, uploading, blogging. I think I'm scrapbooking in the new area where I moved my desk to. So those decorative brads, those are simple stories. Hello today. And then that pretty much completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.